with your game, pop your shit, say something pretty, let's stay thick, beef with who she got the right one. All these bad bitches ain't got the like none, and they all think I got the type one. Make one take it, I got the right one. These bad bitches you like is my son.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's starting off chaotic, but I am eating some seeds and then I just had a thought, so I'm like, excuse me, let me crochet. If you was on my live the other day, you saw that hat. But without further ado, I'm part of my beauty crochet. Trying to find a good spot. I'm part of my beauty crochet and this is my crochet channel. Thank you guys for subscribing and watching. If you've been watching my lives, then you know that sorry, I got seeds on my tongue. You guys know that I was talking about donating hats, blankets, sweaters, whatever the case may be. Little disclaimer that I give to you guys all the time: if you hear screaming or yelling in the back of my videos, my live, my shorts, whatever the content is, my toddler she's doing her thing, okay? So without further ado, let's get into this video. Yeah, okay guys, so yes, like I said, I wanted to donate a whole bunch of stuff. I don't know to who, I don't know to where, but I just know that there's a lot of places that need to be donated to. There's a lot of people that are in need. So I guess this is kind of like day one of me getting things together so I can donate. I don't know how long it's going to take for me to make as much things. I don't know how much things I'm going to make. I don't know what journey I'm going to be on with my donating and giving back with my crochet work. So it's just what we're going to do, whether it be outfits, shirts, whatever. I'm going to try. But I thought I'll come on right now as I'm rolling up a yarn, because I had a dress that I was making. I'm not really feeling it, so I'm like, I can make this into a yarn cake, and then this can be like one of my first yarn cakes, and then I can make something, a hat with that or something, so I can donate, so I can put in my donation bin. I still need to clean out my donation bin. I think I'm gonna clean out take everything out the bin, put it in a plastic bag, and then as I'm making yarn cakes and as I'm making projects, I'll put all of that in the donation bin until I empty out the bag. I think that's the best way, so I can see what I have and whatever the case may be. But that's the gist of this video. I plan on cleaning up my yarn corner as well. And if I might be live right now as I'm making, you know, as you're watching this video, I possibly could be live. So without further ado, let's get into the whole video. Okay guys, so yes, this is the dress that I'm taking apart, so that way I can roll it up and make it into some yarn that I can use for my donation. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be showing you. My room is a mess, so just ignore anything that you see. But yeah, I'm just rolling up the yarn on my yarn winder that my husband had bought me from Amazon. It was giving me a hard time because I had it under the thing, but I just wanted to show you guys a little close-up of the yarn being wound up, I guess. But yeah, I will be donating. I think today I'm gonna make a scarf, and then I'll post some content about that. But I'm doing this voice recording the next day, so this is what one skein is looking like that I had rolled up, but then I actually rolled up two. And so you see the 1, 2, ignore my daughter. You see the 1, 2, I rolled up those skeins from the dress, and then you see all the mess that I made on my table and on in my yarn cubby. Now I do need to wind up some of my yarn in my yarn cubby, but it's just like, it's a whole mess. But I was like, as long as I get everything nice and neat, then I don't have to really wind up yarn right now. I I can do that in another video. So that's basically what I'm doing. And yeah, just a mess over here. It's not that crazy, honestly, like, but everything wasn't where it's supposed to be. Different colors were with different colors, and I think one day I'm just gonna get a whole bunch of yarn and just fill up the cubbies up to the top, from one, corner of the cube to the top of the cube. So yeah, guys, so like I said, this yarn needs to be rolled up, but I'm really not rolling up this yarn, and you guys are just gonna see me doing some of the yarn now. I did most of it off camera, but here's what I did on camera. So thank you guys for watching. Also, if anybody would like to donate with me, just let me know. As I would tell you guys on my live, that I am going to be cleaning out my yarn cubby, my yarn bin, and then I have some yarn in there I need to roll up, and then I will be making a lot of projects. But I think I'm gonna make a scarf today for my donation bin. But yeah, so right now I'm getting the red in order, and I know you guys can't see, but I'll show you guys afterwards. And I'm gonna create a close-up of everything that's going on, and I'm probably gonna speed this up. As I'm doing my voiceover, it's not sped up, but I will have it sped up. Okay, so all the stuff that you see in the corner to the left is my stuff, and then under that it's stuff that I'm making in orders and stuff like that. Like, I don't have a lot of space, so I had to make a cubby for some things, but yeah, you guys get the drift. So basically I'm just showing you guys like what I was doing. The gray, the black, and the red, and the white. But honestly, I moved everything around, I'm not gonna lie. So this was my table was looking like a hot mess, and this is what it was looking like once I got everything where it needed to be. But I think I was telling you guys that I was gonna roll this yarn up and then clean up the other cubbies.
Bust me down on the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's mine, and I want it now. Ow. Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day you make new hair. Come take me out this smooth glare. I be waiting on you some long. Durage up down low like bombs. Boom. Nothing but a robe in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you working. Boy, you gotta see it in person, believe me.